Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to Vlogmas and welcome back to Lip Week. Today we are featuring the brand that everybody loves to hate, Colourpop is it Colourpop Cosmetics? Yeah, Colourpop Cosmetics. We are checking out their new Fresh Kiss Lip Creams. I have 8, you guys. I have 8 shades. I used my Ulta points for these bad boys. I really enjoyed I really gotta stop turning around when I'm mid-sentence, but I really enjoyed their Fresh Kiss lip stains, so I'm really excited to try these Fresh Kiss lip creams. The description of these lip creams, though, is a little bit perplexing. Lush hybrid formula that contains the color of a lipstick with the care of a lip balm with a creamy matte finish for ultra smooth kissable lips. So I don't know, that's just a little confusing to me. Lipstick, lip balm, matte finish. It says non-drying matte finish. So I'm guessing it's gonna be kind of like a velvet matte type of situation, which I can definitely get on board with. What I'm really interested to see is how it wears, of course, but we gotta try the shades on, make sure that we like the shades. So where should we start? I'm gonna start with this really deep one because I don't think that I'll want to wear this one today. But this one is called Page Me, like P-A-G-E. Is that how you say it if it's a pager? Like if you're paging someone? Anyways, no smell. They don't even have that weird kind of just lipstick smell. Ooh, very like mousse-like kind of cream texture. Cute. Okay, so cute color. Definitely not my favorite. I don't know, it's not that bad. It's like a warm red type of color. I will say the applicator, I'm really not vibing with right now. It's like too fuzzy or something, and because the formula is so mousse-like, it made it harder to get a precise lining around the lips, you know? It feels really velvety and comfortable and creamy on the lips right now. It certainly doesn't feel matte. But you know, maybe it dries down or something. Hair, what are you doing, girl? Started with this color because I expected I would like it the least, so it should just be uphill from here, but we'll see. Where to next? I think I'm gonna try this one. This one also looks kind of deep and red. This one is called Scrunchie. A little less warm than the previous red, but it really doesn't look that different. Okay, I think we got there. I know I'm taking it off, so it's not my most precise work, but okay, so let's talk about it. I like this color, this red color, better than the previous one. It's still a little deep, something that I don't really see myself reaching for a lot, but it's nice. So I'm doing this like right after I tried all of the Kaleidos Cloud Lab lip clays, and the formula of these is kind of reminding me of the formula of those in that it's a sort of like moussey, whipped, kind of stiff consistency. And I like that, but this one, I don't know if it's like the shape, the fuzziness, the length of the applicator. This one I'm having a harder time applying. And I think that the Kaleidos ones were just particularly easy to apply, especially for red. But doing this like right after I did those, I'm a little bit like, eh. But moving on. Whoops. So they are creamy. I gotta be careful not to like rub my hand on anything. Seis más, where should I go next? Let's stay away from the red. I think I'm gonna try this one. This one's called Strike a Pose. Yummy. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So on, it looks a little bit warmer than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be more cool toned, a little mauvier. It has a sort of like hint of coral, I think. I don't know, I'm not mad about it. I like the kind of mid-tone, neutral pink type of thing that's happening. It's nice. This one was a lot easier to apply. This one, the consistency is a little bit more stiff, so it kind of works together better. We're on the up and up for Colourpop. Cinco más. What should we do next? I'm gonna do this one, this pretty like nude looking one. This one's called BB Spice. I think it's supposed to be like BB. Cute. I'm worried this one might be a little pale for me. And if it's pale for me, you know it's pale. Okay, applicator's still not my favorite. Do I like this? I think it's just a touch pale for me to really love it. But I don't know, it's not bad. Like, it's a nice little kind of pinky nude moment. Formula is very creamy. I think I put too much on this go around. Or this one maybe is like a little bit thicker or something. I don't know, it's just not quite as comfortable as the previous ones have been. So yeah, I think our front runner is still this one right here. But I don't know, the red wasn't bad either. We're halfway in though, and I really haven't gotten like a smash hit from this collection yet, so really hoping I saved the best 4 for last. Come on, Colourpop, we can do this. Ugh. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This looks like a really pretty mauve-y type of color. Looks kind of similar in the thing to this one. Do they look like that similar next to each other? Strike a pose. Ah, so yeah, you can see this one's a little bit warmer. Okay, so maybe I'll really like this one. So y'all know I love my cool downs. Okay, looks very cool. Wow, okay. Let's try it out. Listen, Haley, you asked for this. You were complaining these other shades were too warm toned, but this one is super cool toned. I'm not sure. Like, I like it. Come on, Colourpop. Like, all of these shades I have been so close to loving. There's just like something slightly not there for me though with some of these shades. This one, we're closer. I like this. I guess I wish it was a little more toned down or something. This one was a lot easier to apply and it's a lot more comfortable on the lips, certainly than this Baby Spice one. I hadn't even really thought about the comfortability on the lips much until I tried this Baby Spice one. I didn't really like the way that one felt, but I may have put too much on. Okay, let's move on. We still got 3 left. We still got 3 chances to find something that we're obsessed with. What a mess. Okay, so here we are. I really tried to save some shades for the end that I thought I might really like. I think I'm gonna go either here or here, the Rachel or Let's Vogue. Let's go red. Let's try Let's Vogue. All right, there's a nice little blue toned red. Let's give it a go. I think I'm gonna like this one. Okay, so this one was definitely challenging to apply, but that just kind of comes with the territory when it's red, you know? I definitely like this shade the best so far. I think that the last two were definitely better, a little more me, you know? But I don't really wear red very often. And if I do wear red, I'm usually reaching for something that will dry down, which these do not seem to be doing, but they do seem to be making a nice little mess on my hand here. So yeah, it'll be interesting to wear this. I guess obviously I'm expecting, because it's so creamy, that it'll transfer and it'll, you know, get on things, but I'm wondering if the color is going to be long wear, if it's just gonna all come off, you know? Anyways, dos más. Okay, let's go with this one. This one is called the Rachel. I wonder if that's like Rachel from Friends. It looks like a shade that could work for a lot of folks. I don't know, these colors are looking different once you get them like swatched and on. Look how corally pink that one looks. I mean, it looks slightly warm, slightly coral in here, but it's a lot more on the swatch. Certainly more than I was expecting. Okay, that's actually really pretty. I don't use like corally type shades like this often. Yeah, but this is cute. I think that the key with these is to find that balance between getting the depth of color that, look how messy, between getting the depth of color that you want without using too much. Because I find that when I use too much, it like reduces the comfortability on my lips and it makes it a little bit harder to apply. Let's do the last shade though, and let's all say a prayer and hope that I like it, because I still gotta like wear test these. So let's like really hope that this one pulls out the bag for us, because it's been just like a kind of blah experience so far. I don't know, I guess I was just really expecting Colourpop to bring it with this one, although besides their lip stains, I haven't really had good luck with their lip products. So anyways, this one's called Alt Rock, like alternative, but short. So it's just alt. It's a nice kind of like berry type of color. Let's try it. Okay, so that's like the light layer. So the first little layer I put down. Now I'm gonna go in for a second layer to kind of build the color up. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, yeah, for sure. That difference in the depth of color. Okay, the good news is I do really like this color. The bad news is that I'm not like obsessed with any of these shades. And like they're all very close to being shades that I could be obsessed with, like a little bit of a shift in tone or depth, and I could definitely like them more, but I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. I mean, we're gonna see how the formula does, of course. I do really like this one, so the Alt Rock, and then probably the other one that I really liked was Let's Vogue. So I think these two were kind of the winning shades for me. And I also liked, was it Teen Spirit? Yeah, Teen Spirit. So I think that these are the three: Teen Spirit, Let's Vogue, and Alt Rock. I think these were like the three really, really good ones for me. The Strike a Pose was a little bit warmer. I could definitely get use out of this shade though. The Baby Spice was just maybe a little too pale, this one. Scrunchie, you know, was fine. Scrunchie was this one, and it was fine. It was fine. Which one was the one that I started with? Was it Page Me? Which one's Page Me? This one? Yeah. This is Page Me. Page Me was also fine. It was fine. I will insert a little check-in right now. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about this Colourpop stuff. So when I've been wearing this shade Alt Rock, I will say that like kind of right after I put it on, I don't love the way that it feels on my lips. It's just like a little too there, you know what I mean? Like I'm just too aware of it, and I end up going like this a lot, like, you know, like kind of rubbing my lips together. I've given it some time to settle, and so it's a little bit more comfortable now. But whenever I've been wearing it, I've been like taking it off before I eat or drink. So I just thought I would, just because it's so creamy, I'm like, I know it's gonna transfer and I know that it's gonna come off. I don't know how like the color's gonna hold up. I have not yet tested that, so we're about to see. I'm gonna take a sip of my drink here. As you can see, not really anything on the lip there. Ooh, ta-da! Color's still hanging out. Let me see if I dab my lips with a napkin, if that'll do anything. Yeah, not a lot left there. That's kind of like, see, so it just comes off. I think that's my issue with it. It's just that I kind of prefer to put something on that I know will like hold up through me eating, drinking, and won't like get all over everything. Like I don't mind a little bit of transfer, but when it just straight up comes off, you know, that's kind of a bummer. So anyways, I don't think that this formula is like really for me. I don't think it's like a new favorite or anything. I just prefer something a little more mattifying and a little more long wearing, and I think it's just a personal thing. But also I just don't love the way that it feels on my lips. Like I have some other kind of like lip creams, cream lipsticks that I'm not so like aware of, you know, that are just more comfortable when I put them on. And I wasn't like totally obsessed with any of the shades anyways, so yeah, there we go. Anyways, TTYL. Alrighty friends, but that's it. I'm not super duper stoked, but do let me know what you guys think about these Colourpop Fresh Kiss Lip Creams. I mean, I guess it can't all be wins, right? Like, I really loved the Lottie London liquid lipsticks. I really liked the Kaleidos lipsticks. So now we're just kind of in the like, yeah, it's okay type of zone. I think I would probably like it more if they were a little more dry down. Like, they don't have to be completely dry down, but like my Believe Beauty Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks, they don't totally dry down, but they do a little bit, and the color's long lasting and they're very comfortable. I was kind of hoping that these would be like that, but not really. Let me know what you guys think. Always love hearing from you, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, okay? Okay, bye.